Style matters, but comfort matters more. We know that no two feet are alike, which is why we have developed mySupport Custom Orthotics. Through our online portal, place your order. Once we receive your order, we will send you a foam impression box via FedEx within 2 to 3 business days. Be sure to save the outside box to ship your foam impressions back to us. This foam impression box will allow you to capture the bottom surface of your foot so our lab can make the custom orthotics specifically for you. When you receive your foam impression box, go ahead and open it. There are 2 sides to take your impressions, one for each foot. Don't worry about which foot goes on which side. Our team is great at identifying left from right. Just be sure you take one impression of the right foot and one of the left. To take a proper impression, find a wall or chair or table to help balance yourself. While wearing a thin sock, slowly guide your foot into the box, ensuring you are centered and push your entire foot down. Do the same with the other foot. Attach the prepaid shipping label that was included with the foam impression box. Tape it up and drop it off at your local FedEx shipping store. Your impressions are now on their way to our custom lab here in Wisconsin. You can expect to receive your mySupport Custom Orthotics in about 1 to 2 weeks from the time you ship out your foam impressions. Healthier, happier feet start here.